This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Nicely remodeled home in the Suburban Mobile Estates 55+ community with a nice clubhouse and in-ground pool. Large open floor plan with a huge living room with lots of light that flows into a spacious dining area with a built-in hutch and then into a beautifully remodeled kitchen with new cabinets, quartz counters, and newer Appliances.Primary Suite has a full bath, 2 closets and a door to the large covered back deck and wheelchair ramp. This home shines. Space rent is $730 a month plus water. Covers sewer and trash. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.